This video will show home chefs how to log in to their dashboard on myhalalchefs.com. On the login page, use the username and password you created. After you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. You might get a page that looks like this before the chef's dashboard. In this case, click on Go to Chef Dashboard. This will take you to the chef dashboard. This is where you can see your products, orders, coupons, and other tabs of your kitchen store. On the dashboard, you will see a summary and a quick overview of all the activities in your kitchen store. The next tab is the Products tab, where you can see your menu items with columns for image, name, status, online or offline, stock, price, earning after we deduct the percentage fee. It also shows the number of views each product has and the date it was added to your kitchen store. To add a new product, click on the Add New Product button. Then you need to upload a picture of the menu item, add a name, price, discount price if you're offering a discount, and schedule it if you want to. Then select an item category, tags, and a short description. If your menu item category is not listed, you can contact us to add it. Lastly, you can click on Create Product or Create and Add New. Next is the Orders tab, which will show you the orders placed on your kitchen store by customers. Next is the Coupons tab, where it shows the coupons your customers used. The Reports tab will show you an overview of your sales, orders placed, top-selling items, and other information on each tab up top. Delivery time is important because it will show you on a calendar format when the customer requested a delivery or pickup of their orders. Reviews tab will show customers' reviews of your products. The Withdraw tab will show the money that was sent to you by our website. Return Request will show if customers requested return of any of the purchased items. The Followers tab will show how many followers you have of your kitchen. Analytics give you more insights for more information about your kitchen store with different tabs on top. Announcements is where we will be sending you announcements of any updates or new features on the website. The Tools tab will allow you to export and import items to your kitchen store. The Support tab will show if you receive support requests or questions by your customers. The Settings tab is an important one where you can set up your kitchen store. Here, you can add a banner, your profile picture, store name where you can use your name or other names you like. Store categories will always be chef. Under Store Products per page is where you set how many product items you want to list. Next is your phone number, your location, or number of locations you have. If you have a company name, you can add it here. If you want to show your email, select this email box. And if not, leave it blank. In the map box, enter your address to show your kitchen store on the map, so customers can search you by location, city, state, etc. If you would like to add terms and conditions, select this option. Next, if you have certain kitchen hours opening and closing, you select this option and select which days you are open or closed and what hours of opening and closing for each day. This will allow you to set your own work schedule and change it at any time. Store open and close notices. Default is store open and store closed, but you can change them if needed. If you are taking a vacation or don't want to take orders, you can select Go to Vacation to let your customers know. If you have a store-wide discount, select this option and set the minimum order amount and discount percentage. Under Biography, you can share your background and history as a chef with customers. You can also add photos of you cooking and any information about you. If you are offering online support, you can select these options. If you would like to have live chat via WhatsApp, you can select this option and enter your WhatsApp number. When you are done, click Update Settings to save your information. The next setting tab is the Payment tab. Since we use PayPal, you can enter your PayPal email to link it to our system. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to create one and enter the email here in order to get paid. The Verification tab is for us to confirm your identity by using your ID, address, and company information. At this time, you need to verify the first two. The Delivery Time Setting tab is an exciting feature that allows you to decide if you want to offer delivery and pickup options. For the Delivery Black Buffer, you need to enter how many days in advance you would like to have delivery requests. You can choose 1, 2, or 3 days. It's up to you. You can also pick the days you would like to deliver here. If you're not offering delivery at all, you can deselect the home delivery option. Then you can set the delivery or pickup opening and closing times. Next, you enter time slots between pickup and delivery. Under Orders per Slot is how many orders you can do per each slot of time you entered. Finally, you update settings to save your information. The Shipping tab is actually for delivery options by clicking on Edit and entering the state where you are and entering the zip codes you will deliver to. Then you can select free pickup or delivery options, then save your changes. You can also set up the delivery cost for the delivery by clicking here and entering your delivery price and save your changes. If you would like to link your kitchen store to your social media, go back to Settings, and you can click on Social Profile and enter your social media page links. The Rma tab is for your returns you can set up when a customer requests a return and refund and under what conditions. The Store SEO tab is to help you increase visibility of your kitchen store. Here you can enter as much information as you can. This will help when customers are looking for your kitchen store online. If you're not familiar with this, don't worry about it, since we are also promoting you online. This was a quick overview about setting up your kitchen store. When you are done with each section, always save your changes. Let me show you how a chef's kitchen store looks to customers on our website. Let's take, for example, Chef Manal. Chef Manal has a picture profile, a banner, 3 menu items, and her contact information. If she has any reviews, they will show under the Review tab in her biography under the Biography tab. I hope this walkthrough was helpful as you join our website, and we wish you great success for your kitchen store business.